Hello and welcome to a FingerNailFixer tutorial. The things you're going to need to create the look from today's tutorial will be your favorite gel polish and top coat, along with some UV glitter and a brush to rub the glitter in with. In this instance, I'm using C&D Shellac as my color and Dulce Nail Sprinkles as my UV glitter, in addition to a Wildflowers brush for burnishing in the glitter. Links to all the products can be found in the caption, and while you're here, if you would reach down and click subscribe, it will automatically notify you every Tuesday when I put out a new tutorial. To prepare the nail, I've gone in and applied a layer of C&D Shellac. You can use the gel polish of your choice. Once you have cured your gel polish, it should be ready to apply the glitter in that top film or tacky layer. These are actually UV sprinkles, which means they will change color in black light or sunlight. With that top film, you simply take a dry brush and press it into the glitter, then press the glitter onto the nail, going back and forth until you have really good glitter coverage on the nail. If you wanted to do a fade instead of full coverage, you could absolutely do that. However, since this is my first time playing with the UV glitter, I wanted to get a feel for what it looks like over the entire nail. Once you've placed it on the nail, you want to make sure and dust around all the edges, which is where your sidewalls and your margins would be, so that when you apply top coat to the nail, you don't have a lot of glitter interrupting your top coat seal. It's especially important that you remove any top coat that would be on that free edge and block the seal from the top coat to the nail. Then I'm just really gently going to take the brush and kind of rub it in circles a little bit to make sure that there's not any glitter standing way up that would be sticking out from the top coat. Also, look at the nails from the side real quick before you apply the top coat to make sure you don't have any really big chunks or pieces sticking up. And then you're ready to apply the top coat of your choice. In this instance, I'm going to use C&D Shellac Express 5. It's going to go ahead and leave the nail with a small bit of texture. If you would prefer the nail to have less texture, then you could use C&D Shellac Original Top Coat or a thicker viscosity gel polish top coat in the system of your choice. Apply the top coat in your 5-point polish method, making sure to turn the nail when you seal the sides so that you can use the shine lines as a guide to make sure that you really sealed in the edge. And also use those shine lines to see if you have any lumps of extra top coat or spots where the glitter is sticking up that you may need to go over and lay down with the top coat brush. When you burnish the polish in really well, you'll find that you don't get a lot of glitter on your top coat brush. However, it's never a bad idea to keep a separate bottle of top coat for glitter usage. Put that in your UV or LED lamp for the manufacturer's recommended amount of time for the gel polish that you're using. Gonna go ahead and put the lid on the glitter so we don't have any glitter incidents. It would be really sad if it got spilled. And the cool thing about UV glitter is that it changes in the sunlight. The reason that I've opted to go with a neutral color like brimstone is to show you how you could introduce some of your clients that maybe need a really neutral or conservative color for work, but they're looking for something really fun when they're outside of work. This would give them the option to do something really fun without everyone at work knowing that they were having a good time. Since this color is in the UV lamp, it's actually changing from the UV, which will allow you to see the change in the sparkles when they hit UV. As you can see, they've gone a really fun pinkish purple color, and as we move that around, you can kind of see that change. And that's just from being exposed to the light in the UV lamp. So can you imagine how much more awesome this is going to look in the sunlight? I hope you have as much fun with your UV sparkles as I have been. Again, please subscribe, reach down and click like if this video helped you so that I know what types of videos to make in the future. And always feel free to leave suggestions for future videos in the comments. Thanks!